Throughout her extensive years of dedicated research and exploration, Dolores Cannon unearthed a fascinating phenomenon: the capacity of certain individuals to enter a profound state of consciousness she termed the somnambulistic state. In this state, individuals displayed extraordinary abilities to tap into higher wisdom, often losing awareness of their own identities in the process. These gifted individuals became indispensable collaborators in Cannon's endeavors, contributing significantly to the creation of numerous books and the acquisition of profound knowledge about our world, its history, and its potential future. Over the course of her career, Dolores developed a distinctive hypnotherapy technique known as the quantum healing hypnosis technique. This pioneering approach enabled her to guide clients into deep states of consciousness where they could access memories from past lives, connect with their higher selves, and even communicate with entities from other dimensions. It was during these sessions that Dolores encountered individuals with the remarkable ability to enter the somnambulistic state, a level of consciousness so profound that it challenged conventional understanding. In this state, individuals not only access their own past lives and higher selves but also served as conduits for the transmission of profound wisdom and insights. But what exactly does it mean to channel? To comprehend the essence of the term, let's first delve into its traditional meaning. Channeling involves connecting with a higher source of consciousness or divine energy. Traditionally associated with receiving guidance from spiritual beings, angels, or ascended masters, Dolores Cannon expanded this concept. She proposed that channeling is not exclusive to those who claim to communicate with celestial entities. Instead, each person has the ability to channel information and wisdom from their higher selves, or what she referred to as the subconscious or SC mind. In Dolores Cannon's teachings, the subconscious mind is portrayed as an infinite source of knowledge and guidance within our own consciousness. It holds the memories of all our past lives, experiences, and accumulated wisdom. This higher self, as described by Cannon, is in constant communication with our conscious mind through various means. Many individuals dismiss intuitive flashes, insights, and deep wisdom as mere imagination or madness. Dolores Cannon challenges this perspective by asserting that these experiences are forms of channeling. Throughout history, great thinkers, inventors, and visionaries have attributed their ideas and inspiration to a source beyond themselves. Individuals like Nikola Tesla and Mozart claim to receive visions and compositions from a deeper well of knowledge within themselves, challenging the notion of insanity and emphasizing the act of channeling creative genius. Have you ever experienced a sudden intuitive hunch that proved accurate? Perhaps you've encountered a moment of clarity during a challenging situation where the perfect solution seemed to emerge unexpectedly. These are all forms of channeling, according to Dolores Cannon. Trusting and acknowledging these experiences opens a deeper connection to one's own wisdom. In this video, we will explore the 10 clear signs indicating that you may be a channeler, a conduit for higher wisdom, and a source of enlightenment in a world seeking answers to its most profound questions. These signs are not intended to label or confine you, but to empower and inspire you to embrace your unique gifts and purpose. Let's delve into these signs together. First is vivid, realistic dreams. Dreams have captivated humanity for centuries and play a significant role in the world of channeling. If you've ever awoken from a dream that felt vivid and lifelike, you may be tapping into your channeling abilities. In dreams, the subconscious mind opens up like a gateway to the cosmos, bringing back profound insights, guidance, and even encounters with celestial beings. Second sign is sudden boost of energy. Channeling involves active engagement with the higher frequencies of the universe, often resulting in a surge of vitality and energy. If you've ever felt an unexpected boost of energy during or after a channeling session, it's a clear sign that you are resonating with the higher frequencies of the universe. Thirdly, altered state of consciousness. Entering an altered state of consciousness is a hallmark of channeling. In this state, you transcend the boundaries of ordinary awareness and connect with a higher dimension of reality. It's a state where you become a vessel for higher wisdom and universal truths, opening a portal to the cosmos, where profound insights reside. Next is words, not your own. One of the most intriguing signs of channeling is when you find yourself speaking words that surprise even you. These words and knowledge seem to flow effortlessly, originating from a source beyond your conscious mind. Recognize that you are tapping into a wellspring of higher wisdom that seeks to communicate through you. Fifth sign is automatic writing or artistic expression. Channeling can manifest in various forms, including automatic writing and artistic expression. Engaging in these creative outlets allows the wisdom of the cosmos to flow through you. Whether through words or art, you have the power to channel profound truths of the universe and share them with the world in a way that resonates with your unique essence. Moving further, we have prophetic utterances. Making predictions or offering insights about the future that later prove remarkably accurate is a powerful indicator of channeling. Your ability to see beyond the veil of time suggests a unique connection to the threads of destiny woven through the universe. Another is physical sensations. During the process of channeling, you may experience tangible physical sensations, such as tingling, warmth, or a sense of energy coursing through your body. These sensations are a direct connection to the cosmic forces at play, signifying your alignment with higher frequencies. Next sign is loss of time. Channeling often leads to a sense of timelessness, where the usual markers of hours and minutes fade away. This loss of awareness of the passage of time is a testament to the profound nature of your channeling experiences, indicating that you are tapping into a dimension beyond the ordinary. Second last is positive transformation. One of the most beautiful outcomes of channeling is the profound positive transformation it brings to your life. Many channelers report experiencing personal growth, spiritual awakening, and a shift in their outlook on life. Channeling connects you with the very essence of existence, catalyzing positive change not only in your life, but also in the lives of those you touch. Lastly, we have unusual meditation experiences. Meditation is a potent tool for channelers, allowing a deepening of the connection to higher wisdom. If you find yourself receiving information or guidance during meditation that transcends your own thoughts and contemplations, it's a strong indication that you are a natural channeler. These 10 signs serve as a roadmap to help you recognize and embrace your innate ability to tap into higher wisdom and universal truths. Channeling is not reserved for a select few. It is a gift that resides within all of us, waiting to be awakened and nurtured. By acknowledging these signs and embracing your role as a channeler, you can embark on a journey of self-discovery and enlightenment. You have the power to access the profound wisdom of the cosmos and share it with the world, making a positive impact on the lives of others and contributing to the greater understanding of our existence. The universe supports and guides you every step of the way. Embrace your unique gifts, trust in the wisdom that flows through you, and let your channeling abilities shine brightly, for you are a beacon of light in a world hungry for knowledge and insight.